Hello students, welcome back to Golu ki Paathshaala. Today, we are going to study a beautiful poem Canvas of Soil written by Maya Anthony. This poem beautifully connects nature, gardening, and art. The poet compares a garden to a painting and shows how gardeners are like artists who create beauty using soil, seeds, and flowers. In this video, we will understand the poem in very simple language with a smooth line-by-line explanation. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's begin. Before starting the poem, let us understand the title. A canvas is the surface on which an artist paints. And soil means earth or land where plants grow. The poet calls the garden a canvas of soil because gardeners create beauty on the land just like painters create art on a canvas. Stanza 8. Palette of earth, rich and deep, where dreams of gardeners seep. Brush strokes of seeds, planted true, awaiting spring's vibrant hue. In the first stanza, the poet describes the earth as rich, deep, and full of possibilities. The soil is compared to a painter's palette filled with colors. Gardeners dream of growing beautiful plants and flowers in this soil. When gardeners plant seeds carefully into the earth, it looks like an artist making brush strokes while painting. The seeds stay quietly inside the soil and wait for spring season to arrive. Spring is the season when flowers bloom and nature becomes colorful and lively. Through these lines, the poet shows that gardening is not just work, it is also an art filled with hope, patience, and creativity. Stanza 2. Blossoms bloom, a painted sight, dancing in the morning light. Shades of green, red, and blue. Nature's artwork, ever new. In the second stanza, the seeds finally grow into beautiful flowers. The blooming flowers make the garden look like a colorful painting. The poet imagines the flowers dancing happily in the soft morning sunlight. Different colors like green, red, and blue make nature look bright and attractive. Every flower, leaf, and plant adds beauty to the garden. The poet says that nature is like artwork that keeps changing and becoming new every day. No two gardens look exactly the same, and every season brings fresh beauty. These lines help us imagine a peaceful and colorful garden full of life. Stanza 3. Each plot, a canvas wide, where art and life coincide. In the hands of those who till, gardens become paintings still. In the final stanza, the poet says that every piece of land is like a large canvas. Here, art and life come together because gardeners create beauty while growing plants and flowers. The people who work hard on the soil, prepare the land, and take care of plants are like artists. Through their efforts, gardens turn into living paintings full of color and freshness. The poet wants us to understand and appreciate the creativity and hard work of gardeners and farmers. Nature becomes beautiful because of their care and dedication. In a nutshell, the poem teaches us that nature itself is a beautiful form of art. Gardeners are like artists who use soil, seeds, plants, and flowers instead of paints and brushes. Their hard work turns ordinary land into something colorful, peaceful, and full of life. The poem also reminds us to appreciate nature and the people who take care of it. So students, this was the complete explanation of the poem Canvas of Soil. This poem beautifully shows the connection between nature and art and teaches us to admire the beauty around us. If you enjoyed this explanation, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Golu ki Paathshaala, and comment which part of the poem you liked the most. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining.